Dr. Venkatesh, is there any universal protocol that can be fits for assay testing of low molecular weight, especially when we understand we depends on the USP, BP, or IP monograph. So we would like to know, are those these protocols, two protocols vary from each other, or three protocols depend on the different pharmacopoeia vary from each other drastically, or do we can have a common protocol?
Yes, I think this is the good question related to setting the concentration range. If you can go across the USP, BP, or IP, all of the monographs are harmonizing the concentration range. Either it is antibacterial 2A, or it is antibacterial 10A for heparin or enoxaparin, or the low molecular suppose you have several locations, and then each location follow a USP and EP. Maybe you can harmonize. Maybe my recommendation is you can standardize a working standard. Mm-hmm. You take a USP standard, you take a EP standard or a BP standard or NIBS. You calibrate the working standard against the USP, EP, PP, or NIBSC. And you have aliquoted the working standard, the solid material, whichever, if you are weighing a sample of 100 mg, similarly standard, the working standard, you keep it 100 mg, and then label it as per USP, use like 240 or BPS 200. If you label it, it across your locations is going to be same. Sure. Or even you can give it to your drug product manufacturer. This is what the working standard you use it. I'm sure the difference in the results of standard and sample is not going to vary too much. True. You aliquot the working standard and use it for a year or two. Again, you do a calibration against the standard. So if you go this way, you avoid unnecessary like freeze thaw, which is of the standard, and then how much time it is exposed to temperature. These reproducibility, which have questions to any chemist. True. So eventually, you cannot say there is one protocol, but as an organization, you can make a single protocol, having some changes in reaction times and everything, and then validate the method across your organization, make a inter-lab variability, and then have a single procedure. But the concentration range, whatever the monographs is defined, please keep it the same. Okay. And you follow the instruction of the kits manufacturer on the reconstitution. True. If these follows, I'm sure you can have a single protocol across your organization, or you can provide your drug product manufacturer and then do benefit of no change in the variability of the results.
That's true. The 2 points which is very important you just mentioned, one is the preparation of aliquot, okay, because that is going to save your life. Second thing, keep on opening and closing the reference standard may contaminate the reference standard and can provide some variation in the results. So once you prepare the aliquot with the required quantity what you require for individual assay, you can take out one vial. So no freeze thaw study is required in that case. You can use one thaw and you can use that. And second thing is which is you mentioned about the protocol. Yes, it is very important when we do analysis, the method has to be validated. So without validated method, we cannot do the analysis. Good.